Yo, what's good, 3000 family? Today I'm going to show y'all how to use Grayscale in your Photoshop app. So, what you want to do is to create a new layer. And with this layer, you're going to put your background gray, basically your neutral gray that you're going to use for your start of your Grayscale. And you're going to want to have your color option open. And if you don't have your color option open, you're gonna go to Window, Color, or you can press F6 on your keyboard to open that up. So once you open that up, you're gonna click on your new layer. Make sure you click on it, because if you don't, you're basically not gonna work on it. So once you click on your layer, you're gonna go to your color tab, and you're gonna go to their color options. And once you click your color options, you're gonna scroll down to Grayscale, and you're gonna click Grayscale. And what I like to do is, click a neutral gray on your Grayscale tab, and you're gonna go to the paint bucket tool, and you're gonna, splot that thing in there. So once you create that, you're gonna be working in a new layer on top of that layer. And we're gonna lock that layer. Let's name it gray. Let's name it gray. And we're gonna lock this layer. And on your layer 2, this is where you can draw an eye. I'm gonna show y'all how to use your Grayscale to your advantage. And I'm also gonna show y'all how to add color into your Grayscale. So I'm gonna draw a quick little drawing here. So once you create your circle, and it looks like, let's not put that, let's put a little circle. So we're going to, create a new layer and put your layer 3 under your eye layer. We're just gonna put just gray or G, just put GS, just for, you don't have to type so much. And once you're on your brush tool, you're gonna click Alt. It's a little shortcut that I learned. You click Alt, and you click anywhere that you want your color to be. Right now, I want it to be the gray that I put down on our background color. And we're gonna up our brush here. We're gonna click on our GS layer, and we're gonna pick this. So once you click that, once you get all that done, you're gonna click the color, a lower color, a deeper gray, deeper gray, a deeper gray, and we're just gonna put that in here. And this is just to show depth. Once you learn how to show depth into your drawings, you're gonna have better detailed drawings, and just a better overall look into your drawings. When I learned this, it's great. Like, my drawings quality went up so high. So once you hit the dark spot, we're gonna pick Alt again and click the base color that you put down, and we're gonna go to a higher color, lighter color I meant, and we're gonna put that over here. It's not gonna be perfect, but I'm going to deal with it right now. So So once you do all that, right, you got your dark color and lighter color, and y'all are going to go into more detail, but this is just the basics. So we're going to pick a white, not pure white. Like, don't use a pure white because that's just really, really obnoxiously bright for me. But we're gonna do here, and this is where I'm gonna show y'all how to add color into your layers. So let's create a new layer actually. We're gonna put this as your light, just put white. And we're gonna bring the opacity down. And we're not gonna use that, we're just gonna use we're gonna create a circle here, a circle here. And this is where you start getting more detail into your eye once you start using your lighting source. Just say I have a random lighting source here, and your eye will reflect light. So this is why people put the white or opaque white onto their picture. You know, it's not really saturated. It's it's white, and it's basically showing reflection. So once you do all that, I'm gonna show y'all how to put color without having to, do all that. No one wants to do that. And it's basically self-shading, I guess. So we're gonna pick the magic wand tool. We're gonna click the circle. And once you click your circle, you're gonna go to select, modify, expand, and I like to put 3 pixels. We're gonna make a new layer as well for the eye color. And then we're gonna pick our paint bucket tool. And make sure you're working in your color layer. I'm gonna pick the paint bucket tool, and we're gonna block the color in there. We're gonna deselect it. Now you're gonna be like, where'd my work go, blah, blah, blah. Literally, all you have to do, guys, once you're on your color tool, you see that there's a thing and it says normal. Click that, and we're gonna scroll down and see what you like. Usually I work in soft light or hard light, but today I'm feeling that soft light.